How to fix Huawei Nova 13 Bluetooth not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings you can see the option Bluetooth. Now here you can turn on or off Bluetooth. After turning on or off Bluetooth, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold your power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then turn off your power saving mode. For turning off your power saving mode, open settings. In settings, scroll down and open battery. Now here you can see the option power saving mode. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off power saving mode, then go back to the main page of your settings. Then scroll down and click on system and updates. Now here you can see the option reset. Now click on it and then click on reset network settings. And here you can again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.